Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Fantastic Car Group. Okay, today I will check and clean the following car in this big truck. Okay, let's check with me now. Sport motorcycle, sport motorbike, a special one for me. Now go to the next one. Okay, go to the next. Airplane, a mini airplane, a short airplane. Go to the next one. Forklift. Okay, let's go to the next one. A Spider-Man, everybody. My favorite hero, a Spider-Man. I want to be a Spider-Man too. A short bus. This one a short mini school bus. Now go to the next. Okay, everybody, I should finish my video now. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it. See you next time. Goodbye, good luck.